Hello guys and welcome back to GosTech. Today we will learn how to add multiple layout photos and frames also. To add a grid, go to Elements, then go to Grids, and click See All to see many types of grids. Let's pick up one. You can also adjust the size of the grid as you want. To add a photo, go to your photos or stock photos as you want. Then, click and drag the photo to the grid. To edit it, double-click on the photo. Like this you can add also other photos. To add a frame, go to Elements and go to Frames. Let's pick up one. The same way as the grid you can do it to the frames. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.